ये है अनसेट फीलिंग शैंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स छोटा छोटा करके दिखाया जाएगा। तो देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए। So hi Shweta.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm super happy, and especially like you have a beautiful smile. Let me just tell you that
Oh, I
first.
love that.
And it's giving me a lot of positivity. So thank you so much. I'm feeling great.
That's great, and you look so pretty.
Thank you.
You got out of the cab. I'm like, she's tall. She looks so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
So with that, Shweta, like the idea, the reason I reached out to you and we are doing this episode is because I've seen you working with in a lot of music videos, in a lot of reality shows. We know how well you dance, how good a dancer you are, with that, how good an actor you are. But today, the reason being here is like, I personally want to know you. Like, again, what we were discussing behind the camera, everyone knows you, but no one knows you.
That's true. That's a fact that people know me, but they don't know me.
Yeah. So with that, the very first question, Shweta.
Yeah.
Like, who is Shweta? Like,
Okay.
apart from what we know who Shweta is on screen, on Instagram, what we see, who is Shweta otherwise, apart from that?
Okay. I think Shweta is someone who actually believes in herself a lot. I think that's how I describe who Shweta Sharda is. Like, I think I start my day with this belief that Shweta, you can do this. So, like, I generally talk to myself a lot. So, there's a belief that is there in me. I think that has come in me since my birth. It's just there. Like sometimes you don't know why it's there, but it's there. So Shweta is a normal girl who is a dreamer and who has like a lot of dreams and who wanted to, achieve a lot of things in her life, not just for her, but for her mother, for her brother, and that's it. That's like she's a simple girl who's a believer, who's a dreamer, and who's a daughter and a sister. Fun side will be she's a big time foodie. I love eating. So whosoever is watching me right now, let me tell you that I'm someone who loves food. And people who know me, who actually know me, they know how much I love food. And when I say I love food, आई कैन आस्क यू कि आप एक टाइम पे आप कितना ही खा लोगे. चलो आपने छोले भटूरे मंगा लिए, आपने लस्सी मंगवा ली, आपने पापड़ी चाट मंगा लिया. That's your thing, right? I can eat much more than that.
What are you saying?
I know. This body is a liar. But at the same time, it's just like I'm a big time foodie. I love eating food a lot. But at the same time, career hai, you have to make some sacrifices. That is the other side. But if you have to know कि Shweta Sharda का fun side क्या है, she eats a lot.
What are the other two things with that?
Other than this, I am someone who likes to see herself always glowing. Like I'm obsessed. Like I love myself a lot. So whenever I'm passing by like a mirror, I love to see myself a lot. So I think that's who I am. Like you'll see me like vibing in front of the mirror like most of the time. So I think I'm obsessed, like obsession.
Amazing.
Like I'm self-obsessed, and that really helps me to take care of myself even better, even on the days when I'm not feeling good. So that's something that really helps me. Yeah.
Okay, with that, what is that last thing?
Okay, I have to think about it. Achhe se. So what is that last thing? I can't live without music. I can't live. I just can't live without music, man. I was just thinking that what is that one thing that I'm really connected to, and I realize it's music. I don't think without music I can survive.
Wow.
Honestly, I just can't, because I feel that is my love language is what I feel at the same time. But at the I need music to get up. I need music while eating. I need music when I'm dancing, when I'm traveling, when I am like, for example, after this podcast, even if we'll sit, I will make you hear some of my playlists.
Wow,
Like,
I
that's
would
how
love
I
it.
vibe.
I would love it.
That's how I vibe. Like, music is everything.
And okay, talking about music, tell me your top 3 music like on your playlist.
I like Sunri Sakhi.
Okay.
Sunri Sakhi, Meri Pyari Sakhi. I love this song.
You sing well? What are you saying?
I sing well.
What? Obviously, yes.
Nahi.
Can you please do that? Like, can you like go ahead? Like,
Already
3-4
sorry
lines.
because I'm not a singer at all. It's like so much love for music. सुन रे सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा जाने कहाँ इसे भूल गया नहीं तुझ पे कुछ भी है तुझको पता तेरे पायल में मैंने ढूंढ लिया तेरे कदमों तले सजनी प्यार किया तो जान गया ये मुश्किल है कितनी मेरी सांसों में तेरा प्यार बसा आँखों में तुम ही सजनी सुन री सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा
That's so good. That's so good. I'm going to send you this video separately only to just, I want you to listen to your voice.
I don't know, man. It's just like the
Have
the
you ever
connection.
recorded and listened to yourself?
No.
I'm going to send you this clip.
I never tried because like I know how pathetic I am. I can't.
You are not. What are you saying?
Thank you. You are being too sweet right
I'm
now.
not being sweet. I'm like, it's actually very good.
Thank you.
Are you a very giving person? Are you someone who is very soft within and someone who always tries to give it to people? Are you someone like that?
Yes, I am. But I feel like it's a strength, not a weakness. I see it from POV where I feel like it's a strength because when I look around, most of the people like they are there to ask, what do you have to give me? Many of people out of 100, maybe 95% people are like that what do you have for me? There are very less people in this world where like they are givers, they are ready that okay, I'm here for you. We listen this on our daily basis from everybody around us that we are here for you, I am here for you, but honestly nahi rehta hai koi. And I have experienced that in my life where people have been there, but every time I needed somebody, no one was there for me except my own self. So ये तो मतलब ये बॉम्बे वाली लाइफ है या फिर फ्रेंड्स की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. फैमिली, अगर फैमिली को हटा दे तो ऑफ कोर्स माय मॉम, माय ब्रदर, दे आर ऑलवेज देयर. योर फैमिली इज ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट, राइट? बट अगर उनको हटा दें तो बट आई थिंक आई एम द ओनली पर्सन who has been there for me every time. So like I am a giver. Like despite the fact of this, I believe that every time I meet someone, I like taking care of people around me. I would like to know that have you had lunch, like, and are you fine? So I think it's just like I'm here for you is everything. Is everything for that person who needs to hear that I am here. So I am that here kind of a person.
ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इसी क्लिप्स के फुल वर्जन या कि फुल पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए आप हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.